Yo guys, welcome back to Stock Talk Insider. Today I will be talking about Grab and the Grab company, a little bit about my position into the company, and what I think that the company will do and what the stock will answer to what the company does into the future. So, having said that, I do have a position in Grab, but what is Grab actually? So imagine if Uber and DoorDash, PayPal and Google Ads were all combined into one app. That's Grab. A Southeast Asian super app that's just surprised Wall Street with real profits. But is this finally the start of sustained success, or is competition or regulation still a dark cloud? We'll break down Grab's numbers, strategy, and whether Grab stock is worth your attention. So, going further into what Grab actually is. So it's founded in Malaysia, now headquartered in Singapore, covers ride-hailing, food delivery, grocery, digital payments and advertising. So they also have a fintech side. One of the few true super apps outside of China. Operates across Indonesia, Singapore, Vietnam, Philippines, Thailand and Malaysia. So actually, to be very fair, a little bit of the more underdeveloped countries if you look at the more western side of the world. So there's a lot of potential in upcoming growth, and also literally in the things like fintech, because there are so many people that don't really have decent paths and access to financial services. So that's a very good opportunity for those regions. Key to thesis is that ecosystem is stickiness, cross-sell from rides to payments to ads. Some information about recent earnings. So taking recent earnings, Q2 2025 revenue was around 890 million. That's a beat consensus. Net income is plus $20 million versus minus 68 million last year, which is a rare profit. The deliveries were around 23% year over year to $439 million. Advertising was around 45% up year over year, which is now 236 million. The guidance for full year 2025 adjusted EBITDA is between 460 to 480 million, which is not changed since last quarter. Taking the strategy and growth drivers, so subscriptions and affordable plans lock in users. So cross-sell ride users get discounts on food, delivery users get GrabPay, merchants buy ads. Advertising flywheel, fast-growing, high-margin sentiment. We have geographic focus in Indonesia, fastest growing, now profitable. New frontier strategic investment in WeRide, testing autonomous shuttles, robotaxi. So those are all of the strategy and growth drivers. Taking the bull versus the bear case, we have the bull, so turning profitable, validates super app economics, ads is margin rocket fuel. Southeast Asia, 600 million plus population, rising digital adoption, optionality in autonomous mobility. Taking the bear case is heavy regulatory risk in fragmented C markets, competition, GoTo, Foodpanda, local players. Legal overhang is $80 million. Settlement with investors. Past track record profits are still new and not that high. Some recent news in the stock. So we have earnings beat in July, so stock ticked up, of course. We have August, investment in WeRide added buzz. Analysts upgrading EBITDA expectations, which is also very nice. And a little sentiment shift. Grab no longer just cash burning. Uber of C. So a little conclusion of what this was all about. So is Grab a buy? Going to my position, I have around 226 shares of Grab. So is Grab a buy? If you believe in Southeast Asia's growth story and super app ecosystem, Grab is finally showing the numbers to back it up. But if you're cautious, keep an eye on regulatory developments, competition and whether profits hold. Remember, this is not financial advice. It's just some insights to help you in how I think, and maybe to give you another perspective of another investor into the stock market and into this specific stock. So if you like this video, then I'm very happy, and I'll see you guys next one.